Janet Collection has a brand new bangs wig, y'all, and this one is super pretty. So I'm gonna need you to stick around and get all of the details. Today's video is sponsored by Janet Collection, and I'll be using some of the Isha Melt and Soleil products to style this beautiful wig. Now, this is from the Melt series, is the Veil Bang Collection H3 360. Comes in specialty colors. This is BATA, and I have it in the color DR Choco. As you can see, it has a beautiful texture and beautiful blended different variety of colors blended into this unit. Now, the layout is a 360 lace all the way around. We have combs, adjustable straps, and an elastic band. It doesn't have much of a hairline, so it's nothing really to show here. And this is what it looks like on a mannequin. Hey y'all, this wig is absolutely pretty, so I am excited. And this is what it looked like immediately on my head. I didn't need to cut that lace because it was kind of tight. It's a 360, so it wasn't snipped yet, so it was pretty tight. So I went ahead and cut it, and then I also tinted my lace. If you feeling my vibe and you want to see more beauty, fashion, or videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. It will help your girl out. And if you want to be notified every time I drop a new upload, go ahead and turn on that notification bell so you do not miss out. I've been using the Daily Glueless Lace Spray, the ultimate hold, because it dries really fast, especially without a blow dryer, to actually hold down my edges up under the cap, y'all, because it's efficient. And now that I've tinted and cut the lace, this is what it looks like. So actually the wig is pretty small. It wasn't really going ear to ear, and a lot of my edges were out. However, it's not really a bummer because of the style of the wig. The edges ain't gonna be out, girl. Okay, we got a bunch of bangs going on, layers, curls, and all of that. You won't see most of it, to be honest with you, so it doesn't even matter. But anyways, I am going ahead and coloring up that lace to look like my skin, and then I will use this powder, which is really what I use for my face, but I ran out of the powder I typically use for my lace, which is a palette, because it has different color variations to choose from. And I'm gonna clean that up right there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just melt that teeny tiny little piece right there, because one is a little small, so it may slip, and two, I'm not wearing a wig grip, so that's what I do just to keep the wig from sliding, y'all. So this is what the wig would be as far as styling. If you're someone who's very simple, you really don't want to do much at all, you can take this and run with it and just kind of be done. You know, of course, comb it out or whatever that you need to do. But I'm going to do some stuff to this wig, okay? I'm going to do a few things. So the first thing that I'm going to start with, because I was assessing it, I'm like, it's cute, but it could look better. I'm going to go ahead and flatten out that bang area, because it was like moving forward. It was like going straight and then down, like a 90-degree angle, sort of. So I was trying to flatten it out a little bit without burning my forehead, just so it can kind of lay a little bit more flat on my forehead. And that's what it came out looking like, okay? So I was like, okay, this is what she's looking like. I was trying to get a feel of her. I wasn't too sure if this is how I wanted to go about it, because I'm like, she could look a little bit better. So I was like, alright, cool. I'm gonna frame some layers up in this. So yes, your girl took some shears and I went kind of crazy in the front. So I just kind of cut layers, like literally, as you can see me doing here. I did it on both sides, of course, obviously. And I'm cutting, I'm looking at the hair, I'm looking to see, okay, some more, because you know, it was just looking a little flat. And I just wanted it to look like it had more body. I wanted a little more fun with the hair. I wanted the hair to flow a little better in this direction, that direction. And, you know, it was a little too flat for me. I wasn't liking the transition. As you can see, there's a big difference with the bang to the hair. So I just wanted to add some layers, some different lengths, just so it can appear better on my face. I don't know, sis, you might like it as is, but I wasn't going for it. So anyways, this is what it came out looking like. And then let me just show you what it looked like before and after. So this is before I did anything to the wig, comparing to after the cut. And this is one side cut versus the other side not cut. So yeah, it's better to me. Anyways, I just tweaked up any little areas that I needed to, like the bang and so forth. And I just played with the hair, got it to sit how I wanted it to sit. And then I went ahead and braid my hair in place. And if you're liking this video, please give me a click and thumbs up the video. I would appreciate it. This is what the back of the hair looks like on. Really cute. It has some length. This is what it looks like on the side. Very pretty. The colors and the dimension and the texture, y'all, this is a really pretty wig. And overall, it's really cute without makeup. Now, this is everything that I cut off the wig. I did my makeup, so we coming back. So, I mean, the wig was pretty without makeup, but I always love how wigs look with makeup, y'all. Listen, that's just what I like. Anyways, so I'm going to take this bang, right? And I'm going to kind of center it a little bit, kind of get rid of the split, but not fully, just to kind of give some hair towards the middle. I don't want the parts on the bang to be so prominent, so I'm just switching it up a bit. And this is what we came out with. This is what it looks like close up. This is what the texture and the color and the curls looks like close up, girl. It is very, 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 very pretty. And you can do updos. I don't do well with updos, so I just took a clip just to kind of give you an example of what it could look like, what it should look like. She's effortless. She's very easy. Aside from the cutting, you don't have to do the cutting, but that's what I did. I ran my fingers through the wig. She's actually very soft to the touch, y'all. You don't really get any tangles. I mean, it is a Unimix is what they call it. So it's a human hair and synthetic blended, which is definitely helping with the texture and how wonderful it feels and looks, and the quality is just giving. So your girl is definitely happy with this unit. Y'all gonna have to let me know in the comments if you are feeling this wig or what. All right, so the video is over. Thank you so much for watching. Now, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop it down in the comment section, and I'm gonna go ahead and chit chat with y'all. You know I love to do it. Bye.